Example 1. A corporate team building event costs $28 plus an additional $1 per attendee. If there are 18 attendees, how much will the corporate team building event cost? Well, looking into this problem, we see that there's a pattern that's happening. We already see with a hint word that we have $1 per attendee. And we learned in previous lessons that when you see the word per show up, that this is probably going to be a pattern of behavior. And we learned in the introduction that where there is a pattern, then you probably started with something at the beginning of this little story. And we see here that it costs $28 to put together this event. So that is what happened at the very beginning, at the start of this little situation. Now that we see that there is a start, there is a pattern, we look at this 18 attendees. And your options are to either say this could be a total result, or it could be the number of times that we have to account for this $1 per attendee. So our hint is that it's $1 per attendee. And again, we have the same word of 18 attendees. That tells us that there is a very clear relationship between those two numbers. Thus, this is the number of times that we have to pay this $1. All right. Well, now that I know what my numbers are doing, we have to ask, okay, what are we even being asked for? It's asking us how much will the corporate team building event cost? We are looking for a total result. Okay. By this point, I'm hoping you know exactly what type of equation we're going to write. This is most definitely going to be a y equals mx plus b situation. Let's put in our numbers and see what it looks like. We know that 28 is the start. And we know that there is $1 per attendee. That's my pattern. We know that this is happening 18 times. It is my number of attendees. And we have to find the total cost of the event. We actually need y. There it is. So all of our numbers are here on the right side of the equation, and we can simply go through the process of solving using our order of operations. We find that y equals 1 times 18 is 18. Y equals 18 plus 28 gives us a total of $46 to host this event in total. And there you go.